I bought cheap clip-in hair extensions for my fine hair, and I'm testing them out for you right now. Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel, I cover everything from makeup to meditation to whatever makes your life feel more fabulous at any age. Anyway, one of the issues that's always bugged me is I have very thin, fine hair. And I hear about these clip-in hair extensions. Some of them are massive and made for length and volume. Others are just made to give your hair a little more volume. Well, I found these very inexpensively on Amazon, about $20. So I'm going to try them out right now. Okay, there are a whole bunch of products in here. Let's see. You get two of these. They're all 10-inch extensions. They come in lengths range from 10 inches to 24 inches. My hair is kind of short right now, so I decided to go with this 10-inch. You've got two like this. Two like this, and two of the just single strands. And you can layer them all or just use one or more. I think I'm going to use 3 to begin with. My hair is so fine that if I layer too many, I think it's going to kind of look clunky underneath here. So anyway, you start by basically sectioning off your hair above the ear and penning it up. And then I'm going to take some off the back. Now I'm going to start by clipping this one in at the back. Notice the way the little clips are. I've got it about midway down the back, which means I can, if my hair varies in length from about 1 inch, I can lower or raise it up to accommodate the length. All right, let's get this in here. Okay, notice it's a little bit longer than my hair. And then I'm going to take the 2-inch sections and put one on each side. Let's see. Okay, is that in there? Yeah. Here's the other 2-inch section. And let's see. That's not really set in that well. Okay. Let's start it like here. All right, and let's move this one a little bit, get it even. And let's get this. Now, then you're supposed to trim it to match the length of your hair. So I'm gonna start by letting the sides down. Okay, here's the side piece, and let's trim it to about the length of my natural hair. Let's see, this is the side piece. That's my real hair. And let's trim it. Okay. And then let's try the back. All right. Okay, now I'm going to take them out and trim the entire piece to match the rest of my hair. Okay, I've trimmed and now I'm reapplying. Let's start right here. And here. balanced. And then the back. Okay. All right, and I will let the hair down. And the goal is just to look like I've got more hair. It does give me a little more fullness. Another thing I do for fullness is I use this Powder Play Light Big Sexy Hair, and I just sort of spray a little right here along the roots, and that kind of gives a little texture, a little volume right at the top. And this is using 3 of the 8 clip-in extensions that came in this package. I'm going to put a link to this package down below. Of course, you can always buy a lot more thicker, more voluminous, lengthy hair if you really want to totally change your look. But the idea I wanted was just to give my hair a little more fullness so it doesn't look quite as thin and fine. And I think this sort of does the trick. Okay, the final step is to give myself a little bit of waves. And with both natural and synthetic hair in here, just take the curling iron and just okay, this is my final results. A few of the products I used, as I mentioned before, Big Sexy Hair Power Play Light, and I used that for the roots. While curling the hair, I used BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. And the brush that I use for all of this is from Sugar Bear Hair. This actually comes with a 3-pack of Sugar Bear vitamins, which are my favorite hair vitamins. So I'm going to put a link down below to all of these products as well as the extension pack that I got. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.